When more than one adjective comes before a noun, the adjectives are normally in a particular order. Adjectives which describe opinions or attitudes, example, amazing, usually come first before more neutral factual ones. Example, red. For instance, she has long red hair. Not red long hair. That is wrong. The most usual sequence of adjectives is opinion, for example, beautiful, interesting, exciting, boring. Size, big, large, small. Physical quality, thin, stocky, fat, lean. Shape, round, square. Age, old, new. Color, black, brown, green. Origin, French, Dutch, Colombian. Or material, wooden or metal. Examples: she has long, straight, red hair. Monique has medium length, straight, blonde hair. He has short, curly, black hair. In those cases, we have the rule size, shape, and color. We also have the possibility of size plus physical quality. For example, he's a tall, lean person. Or the sumo wrestler is a tall, fat person. Thank you very much and see you next time. Goodbye.